What if I told you that the story of humanity began millions of years ago with creatures that barely resembled us? Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of our evolution, tracing every step from our ape-like ancestors to the rise of modern civilization. How did we get here? Let's uncover the incredible story of our origins together. The origins of humanity are rooted in an intricate evolutionary process that spans millions of years. Modern humans are the result of a long and complex journey, one that began approximately 6 to 7 million years ago. This journey, marked by significant evolutionary milestones, is primarily believed to have started in Africa, where our early ancestors faced monumental environmental changes that shaped their development. About 7 million years ago, the first crucial divergence from our common ancestors with chimpanzees began. One of the earliest known species in our lineage is Sahelanthropus chadensis, discovered in Chad and dating back to around 7 million years ago. This species had a mixture of ape-like and human-like characteristics, including a flatter face and a more centralized foramen magnum, suggesting that it may have walked upright. Approximately 4 to 6 million years ago, other species such as Australopithecus and Archaeolophithecus ramidus appeared. Australopithecus, discovered in Kenya, displayed evidence of bipedalism, as indicated by the structure of its femur. Meanwhile, Archaeolophithecus ramidus, found in Ethiopia, provides further insight into early bipedalism, although it retained many primitive traits, such as a grasping big toe, which suggests it still spent significant time in trees. Around 4 million years ago, the Australopithecines emerged, a group that includes some of the most famous early human ancestors, such as Australopithecus afarensis, exemplified by the well-known fossil Lucy, walked fully upright, as evidenced by the famous Letoli footprints in Tanzania, dating back 3.6 million years. These footprints, preserved in volcanic ash, offer a snapshot of life millions of years ago, showing that these early humans walked bipedally with a stride similar to modern humans. As the environment in Africa continued to change, with forests giving way to open savannas, the genus Homo emerged around 2.8 million years ago. This transition marks one of the most significant milestones in human evolution. Fossils found in Ethiopia, particularly a jawbone with teeth, indicate the presence of the earliest known member of this genus. This species, Homo habilis, known as handyman, was the first to show clear evidence of tool use, which signified a leap in cognitive capabilities. Homo habilis was followed by other species within the genus Homo, including Homo erectus, which appeared around 1.9 million years ago. Homo erectus is notable for several reasons. It had a larger brain size compared to earlier species, and it is the first known human ancestor to have left Africa. Fossil evidence shows that Homo erectus spread throughout Asia and Europe, marking the beginning of human migration across the globe. In Africa, around 600,000 years ago, a new species, Homo heidelbergensis, emerged. This species is believed to be the direct ancestor of both Neanderthals in Europe and Homo sapiens in Africa. Homo heidelbergensis exhibited more advanced tool-making skills and may have been the first to build shelters and use fire systematically. Around 300,000 years ago in Africa, Homo sapiens made their first appearance. These early humans displayed remarkable advancements in tool technology, social behavior, and symbolic thought, as evidenced by artifacts such as ochre used for body decoration and early forms of art. By 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens had become fully anatomically modern. They had high foreheads, smaller teeth, and less pronounced brow ridges compared to their predecessors. One of the most fascinating aspects of human evolution is the interaction between Homo sapiens and other human species. For example, Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthals, who lived in Europe and parts of Asia, coexisted with Homo sapiens for thousands of years. Genetic evidence suggests that these two species not only interacted but also interbred. Today, many people of non-African descent carry small amounts of Neanderthal DNA, a testament to this ancient intermingling. Approximately 60,000 years ago, Homo sapiens began their great migration out of Africa, spreading across the globe. This migration led them to encounter various environments, from the freezing tundra of Siberia to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. As they moved, they adapted, developed new technologies, and formed diverse cultures. By around 40,000 years ago, Homo sapiens had reached Europe, where they encountered and eventually outlasted the Neanderthals. During this period, known as the Upper Paleolithic, humans began to produce some of the earliest known forms of art, such as cave paintings, carvings, and musical instruments. These artifacts, found in places like the Lascaux caves in France and the Chauvet cave, provide a window into the minds of early humans, showing their ability to think abstractly and express themselves in complex ways. The last major evolutionary milestone came around 12,000 years ago with the advent of agriculture. As the Ice Age ended and the climate became more stable, humans in the Fertile Crescent, an area that spans modern-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Egypt, began to domesticate plants and animals. This agricultural revolution allowed humans to settle in one place, leading to the development of villages, towns, and eventually cities. The rise of agriculture marked the beginning of the Neolithic era, a time of rapid technological and social change. With a stable food supply, populations grew and human societies became more complex. Writing systems emerged, enabling the recording of history, laws, and religious texts. The first great civilizations arose in Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus Valley, and China, laying the foundations for the modern world. The story of human evolution is not just a tale of biological change, but also one of cultural and social evolution. From the earliest ape-like ancestors to the builders of the first civilizations, humanity's journey is a testament to our species' resilience, adaptability, and creativity. Today, as we look back on this journey, we can appreciate the remarkable achievements of our ancestors. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting history.